Okay, this is now the second part of MySQL workbench where we will be designing the database. Let's make some changes here. So this is our new table edit, and we're gonna call it, let's say, tags. Tag would be limited number, so tag ID would be integer, auto increment and unsigned. Yeah, that is slug. So basically you should use the slug always. And here we can use name or title, anything we want to use. So we just created one table. Let's create another table. Let's call it post underscore tags. Here we will use the ID, which is tag ID. No, let's use slug to make it efficient. Varchar, I guess it was 100. It's a primary key, not null. We want to have the post underscore ID, and this should be big int. Okay, and this should be primary key and not null. So we are creating slug here, and there is a reason. Let me remove this, go back here. I will delete this field, we don't need it, and we'll make it slug. So the slug is the unique string which will recognize our tag, so we don't need ID for this. We want to make it searchable really fast, so that we don't have to join with this table in order to get all the slugs or all the tags. So this slug would already be there. So let's create relation. So foreign key, it's the post tags is the table, and let's have a relation with post. So here we can go post ID. Okay, now this is not matching. I guess there's some problem, some mismatch. Let me go back here. Okay, this is big int but not unsigned. Yeah. Now if I click here, post, yes, I can do this. So what we want is, if the post get deleted, if post get updated, so we need to update this child table. If post get deleted, we want to delete all the relations. If a post does not exist, we don't care about its tags, the tags that are associated to it. So it's not just deleting the tag, it's just breaking the relation with those tags. Okay, let's create another relation, which is fk post tags foreign key or with the tags table. Here we'll use tags. Okay, so I think that's the problem. We need to create relation with tags. It was creating self join, that's why it was not letting us. Yeah, no. So if slug is deleted, if the tag is deleted, then we want to delete this relation as well. Or if you want, you can restrict it, so you cannot delete tag if it is associated with certain tables. So for that we can restrict them. So first you need to move all the tags or all the post. We have to remove them, then we will be able to delete it. So let's close this, and now our post tag has relation with tags table and as well as with the post table. Let's do the forward engineering. So I will just generate the script here. Everything is same because it save the configuration. We'll save it to the first install. So our first install is now updated. Okay, yeah, cancel it. What about if somebody has already installed the first install, and if we rerun this script, will delete their database, or you have to delete the database or tables which somebody doesn't want it. Let's fix that and go to that place where we have created everything. So this is the script that we generated, we exported. Now we will create here another one, which is the upgrade. And here we will create upgrade 2. So this is a second upgrade, so I will create upgrade 2 here. And let's open this to modify. So here is the install. This is the first script that we created to install, and now this is the second one. So we created two new tables. One was the tag table, and another one was the post tags table. Okay, so we'll copy these two tables and paste into the new file. How would you know what are the changes? It's really easy. When you add your script to the Git or any repository, you will know the difference and you can instantly detect what are the new changes. So we have created, we have pasted these two tables into the new SQL script. Okay, and we will also use the transaction part where we just copy everything. There should be one change. Okay, and we'll insert here the next part. So we want to use the version value is equal to 2. So what we did, we just updated schema with tags tables. Okay, so it will create this database and then it will insert this record to ensure that our database state has been changed. So that's how we detect. Either we have to install the new script. If it is the empty database, then we have to go for the first install, which is here. So if we are starting fresh, so we need to install this. And if something change in between, you have already installed it. So from your database, you will know which version you are. So if you are on version 3, the latest version is 7. So you have to apply 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how you track the changes. These changes can be automated. Yes, these changes can be automated. There are ways, but let's stay simple, straightforward, and do things manually first to understand them. Okay, so here I think everything is done here. One thing I need to add, which is basically using the proper database. Oh yes, we can apply the checks again like this. So I have added the checks here. Then we need to select the proper database. So you go here. We assume that if we are running SQL script 2, so it means the database is already created. We just need to select this. So now we disable all the checks. We create our table. We have to restore them as well. Here we have already that. Okay, so we will restore all the changes first and then we'll insert the record. I hope it makes sense. Okay, so that's it for today. We saw how we can create more changes. So whenever you create a new upgrade, you will copy paste the new tables, etc., the changes, the alter table, etc. You can add all those things into the new script and then update the version, whatever new version is, so that changes can be tracked. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.